is out, one slow out. Big Bang Bong singing victory. Pass to begin, Supreme Leader, Bishop Therapies. Next in line, what about Andy? Substantial, Miss Pangao, and Big Bang Bong is the early trailer. Into the turn they go, singing victory by about 3 lengths. And in second, Physiotherapist moving up now. Outside is what about Andy? Then followed by Supreme Leader, Big Bang Bong now to take Pipa. Substantial and Miss Pangawa. Hered still singing victory by Oralenka. What about Andy now trying to get closer in second? 5 lengths away in third, moving up now, Big Bang Bong. The Supreme Leader is by Trail Physiotherapies. It's now what about Andy? Takes the lead by Oralenka. Singing victory in second, Supreme Leader moving up, Big Bang Bong. As they come down at the last 200. What about Andy by about 2 lengths? Singing victory once again, fighting back Supreme Leader Big Bang Bong. Last 100 meters. What about Andy? Singing victory once again to take the lead. And finally, it's singing victory. Second, close. What about Andy, Supreme Leader? Then comes Big Bang Bong.
Well, wala po tayong narinig na photo